I'm Deanna Swearingen, Superintendent for Barstow Unified School District. Welcome to the 4th season of the Swearingen Support Report, a rundown of some of the great things happening in our school community. Certificated and classified staff participated in the Welcome Back Mingle last week at the Barstow Community College Performing Arts Center. Congratulations to Barstow Junior High School for showing the most school spirit and winning the BUSD Spirit Stick for 2025-2026. The Barstow Unified family also heard words of inspiration from the Classified Employee of the Year, Maria Carrillo, and the Teacher of the Year, Michael Kralevich. Leadership coach Molly Grisham was the keynote speaker and encouraged each member of the BUSD family to build bridges to success with students and with each other. The 2025-2026 school year begins Wednesday, August 6th. We look forward to welcoming our students and staff back to campuses throughout the district. All schools will be on minimum day schedule for both Wednesday, August 6th and Thursday, August 7th. Friday, August 8th will be a full day of school for all students. Schedule pickup for Barstow Intermediate School 6th grade students is Monday, August 4, from 8:30 a.m. to noon and 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Barstow Junior High School holds a schedule pickup on August 4 for 8th grade students only and Tuesday, August 5th for 7th grade students only. Check the flyer sent out for your child's schedule pickup time. Crestline Elementary hosts Back to School Night Monday, August 4 from 5 to 7 p.m. Nike Barstow will be hosting a Get Active event for the community. Lenwood Elementary welcomes its families to Back to School Night Monday, beginning at 5:30 p.m. Skyline North Elementary invites families to Back to School Night Tuesday, August 5, from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Barstow Fine Arts Academy's Back to School Night is Tuesday, from 4 to 6 p.m. Henderson Elementary opens its doors to families for Back to School Night Tuesday, from 4 to 5:30 p.m. Mount Terra Elementary welcomes families to its Back to School Night Tuesday, from 5 to 6 p.m. Shout out to our friends at Barstow Snowy 6 for providing district office staff with shaved ice at our July PBIS event hosted by Fiscal Services. Thank you, Adam, Liz, and Romy Rangel.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having us. I appreciate it.
That's great. Look at those ices.
Thank you.
Show them your ices. As we come together to kick off this new season of learning, I want to take a moment to express my deep gratitude to each member of our school community who make Barstow Unified such a special place to learn, grow, and thrive. I look forward to being on our campuses to see our students' interests sparked in their light bulb moments throughout this year. The start of a new school year promises exciting opportunities for our students and the chance to build on the great work we've already done. I encourage all of you to stay connected and engage throughout the year. I look forward to all that we will accomplish together. Here's to a successful and inspiring school year. I'm Deanna Swearingen, wishing you a great 2025-2026 school year.